Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. It's been a long time. I think it's like a month now that I've been on this channel, and thank you so much for holding it down as usual. I love you guys so much, and thanks for understanding, and thank you for standing by. For my new subscribers, I see you all. Thank you so much for joining me, and for my returning subscribers as well, thank you so much. I'm just going to show you how I achieved this look. It's kind of easy, it's a kind of everyday look, and then it's a kind of party kind of, if you want something minimal, just like this, natural, but you still have something on your face, then yeah, this video is for you. And to everyone that have been requesting for this video, so this is it now. I've done it. It is done now, and this is it. I'm just gonna show you how I achieved this look, and yeah, I think that's just it. So thank you guys so much. And if you haven't subscribed and you've been watching my videos since I started my channel, please do subscribe. Support me by subscribing to my channel, and I hope you love this video.
The reason I'm alive is just to worship you. From age to age, you never change. Chimo, when I call you, ocean divine. Until is a king of glory. When I think of all you've done for me, oh God, my words will be enough to say I'm grateful. When I look around and see the beauty you've done, my words will be enough to say you're wonderful. Lord, I would never forget how you raised me up. I would never forget how you wiped my tears. I would never forget how you brought if not for your grace, I would have been lost and gone. The reason I'm alive is just to worship you. If not for your grace, I would have been lost and gone. The reason I'm alive is just to worship you. From age to age, you never change. Chimo, when I call you, ocean divine, until I'm alive is just to worship you. From age to age, you never change.
This is the finished look of my makeup tutorial, and I hope you find one thing or the other helpful. I'm gonna link all the products that I used. I'm gonna put them in the description box. So this is the finished look, and I hope you love it. And if you do, kindly give me a thumbs up, and please drop your comments in the comment section. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
I pray, the money enter one day. Say I go hammer, I pray, say you go better for me one day.
If he there for back, I go there for front. Chineke puli wo menu wese mumamburu kawa. Afufunta chalo emesia we boutique o. I know say I know these are your blessings, but you they still support. Now I'm living life like a holiday. Now I know they care because money day. Only if a man will be konya di day. On your lawyer kulu konya libe.